WDM and Next Generation Networking, it's clearly a show that's bridging the gap between the pure optical transmission world and now, so what is the next generation network? It's obviously marrying that transmission into the packet world.
It's exciting. I've sat through a couple of panel sessions and presentations, and it's fascinating to watch some consensus building amongst all the participants in the industry.
The conference is actually very good so far. I mean, we had a packed room in the morning, we had a very good panel on 100G already, which sparked a lot of discussions. I think that's going to be the main theme over the conference, so looking forward to it.
Well, obviously it's a lovely location. Sun is shining, but I mean, such is the quality of the presentations and also the quality of the attendees that there's not many people outside. They're all inside here, networking and discussing and working together to see how we can deliver the networks of the future.
The conference is great as usual. We have the opportunity here in Monaco to meet many customers. This is what we need in this particular place.
Well, this is an ideal show for us. It's exactly the right kind of market segment, the right kind of customers for a company like Infinera. And the number of people has just been amazing this year.
I think it's a very good turnout, like the number of attendees, the attendance, the level of attendance and the presentation is very, very high level, and the level of interaction is very good as well.
Finding the networking opportunity is excellent. It's part of it is I've met a few old friends who I hadn't seen in a while. Others, I've met some new vendors that I sort of were curious about but didn't get a chance to actually follow up on. So I've had an opportunity to, during a breakout, to just catch up, have a cup of coffee and chat.
What I saw so far was good. The presentations and the panel this morning, it was interesting, and the contributions were very valid, and the discussion was lively. Yeah.
I would say that it's a period of consolidation around ideas that have been in the mix for several years. It's really about turning some of these promises into reality, and we are getting much more real-life reporting from the operators, giving experience of these newer technologies. So we're moving out of that pure hype phase now into the power phase of deployment of these newer technologies.